Hello. In this tutorial, we will see how to access the background location of the device in Kotlin Android. Let's see the project structure. In the build.gradle file, first, we set up the view binding. Then, in the dependencies, we integrate the location dependency. In the manifest file, we have written the course, fine, and background location permissions. Now, here we have the main activity. And in the UI, we have the activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. Let's see the UI. Here we have a button called Get the Location in the background. And we also have a text view to show the location result. Let's see the Kotlin code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity. These are the data members. In the onCreate function, first, we set up the view binding. Then we get the fused location provider client. When the Get Location button is clicked, first, we check if the location service is enabled on the device or not. If the location service is not enabled, we show a toast message to the user that, please turn on the location. And also, we call the createLocationRequest function, which shows a location service dialog to the user, so that the user can enable the location without leaving out the app. If the location service is already enabled, then, we launch the permission request and ask for the course and fine location permissions of the user. This is the isLocationEnabled function. Here we check if the location service is enabled on the Android device or not. And this is the createLocationRequest function. In this function, we create and show a dialog to the user, which asks the user to enable the location service. So after asking for the course and fine location permissions, the app flow goes here, at the foreground location permission request. Here we check if the location permissions have been granted or not. If the permissions are granted, then, we ask for the background location permission. From there, the app flow comes to this background location permission request. Here we check if the background location permission has been granted or not. If the background location permission is granted, then, we get the current location and show it in the text view. Please keep in mind that, in this tutorial, we have only achieved the background location. If we close the app, there is no way to get the location updates yet. For that, we will need a work manager with a foreground notification, that will keep running on the device front end, even if the app is closed. And the location updates would be fetched from the background, and shown on the foreground notification. We will see this part in the next tutorial. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can get the background location of a device in Kotlin Android. Thank you.